Hey. So here we go. Some dryers over here. What I don't want to. Gonna do a quick look. Samsung heat pump. Later I just have with washer. Bosch Series 6, no jet. Bosch Series 8 outdoor for the wash system. Pretty cool. Super 6 without the jet. Bosch Igos, no jet. We're gonna do a quick look this time, so we'll put manually one. Electro's perfect car. Little bit expensive. This one, no, mixed load one. So this is the another mixed load one, 8 kg with a diamond drum. New Samsung 11 kg speed spray. Not sure if this is it's a recirculation. Super speed 39, 11 kg. This is the 9 kg one. Obviously, no, I'm not sure recirculation spray. This is the manually. Another 9 kg. Not sure if this is the recirculation spray or not. And ciao. No, guardavo solo, tranquillo.
Ok, vai tranquillo.
Grazie. Dryers. Candy was dry new logo. Bloody higher drop. Higher. AEG. Very nice. Washer dryer. 3D 7000 series. Energy spin, the one that doesn't refill by looking at Laundry Lab 2006 videos. Third energy spin is made by Beko. Beko, the basic model. This door is a bit interesting. Higher. Whoa. There's more. Same one. Okay, there's locked. Oh no, oh no. In the seat made by Beko. I hate this one. It's seat. Right car. Vestal rubbish and crap. I like this one, to be honest. So small one, but with 1200 RPM. Candy, nice one. Another crap in the shit by Beko. This is shit. This is crappy because how is that? This is a Beko, but oh, there's no W2, but the W1 looks pretty nice. This is rubbish. No, aspetta. Wow. Oh, this is... Damn. This is so small. Laundry by Master have one similar one of this. Algae. Another algae. This is the similar of HF wash machines, the new one. nice. Another one, same. There's no. This is outdoors. Even this one, 2 outdoors. This is manual detergent. Or this one, without the jets. This is vabbè, arrivo, sono le ultime. There's not much. There's not even the bespoke 9 kg.